Okay, the problem that we're going to look at is read as if you prepare a solution by dissolving this much of iodine in this much of weight of water. Okay, what is the molality? Okay, so before we just let's look at what is molality. Molality. Okay, I just missed the spelling. Molality. So here it's molality like this versus molarity. Molarity, exactly, it's concentration, and molality, here we have like moles per volume, and volume should be in liters, and here it is moles of the solvent, all oh no, not the solvent, solute of the solute all over mass of the solvent. Okay, so now by now I hope that you can clearly see the difference between molarity and I just made a mistake of molality and molarity. Molarity is literally the concentration, while molality is moles of solute all over mass of the solvent, and mass is always here in kg, and here it is in liters. So what you can notice by now is that they both have moles as their numerators. So let's just dive into a problem. I've done so much talking. So the problem read as, let's just try to read the problem. The problem is focused on molarity. Okay, let's just remove anything that is not about it. So it's moles of the solute. So, the solute here is iodine, right? And then iodine is like, we need to get number of moles of iodine. Number of moles of iodine are going to equal to the mass of iodine, of which is 25. It's given there just here is 25.38 grams all over molar mass of iodine. From my periodic table here, if I read iodine, let me read it again. Iodine is 126.9, and then there are two of them, and I put this in a calculator, and then if I work that very well, I get 1.1. There is 1.9 here. I need to fix this, and this is 1.1 moles. So this formula said molality, okay, it's a small m, is equal to number of moles of the solute, of which we just got to be 0.1 moles all over mass of the solvent. We're just given somewhere here the mass of water, and it should be in kg, right? So we're just going to say you're given 500 grams, and then you need to move a comma 3 times, 1 2 3, then we get 0.5 kg. Then here we just plug in that 0.5, we take it, hey, come here, and he's in the right place now. So now we can do what? We can do the math. So if you do the math here, this is just a half of this. It's going to be, so this is a half. So if you divide by half, it's like you're multiplying by 2, right? So we're just going to be 0.1, I know it's multiplied by 2, right? 2 moles per kg. We just got what? Molality, not molarity. Take note of these words, they are different terms, and make sure that if you read, you make sure that you are working with the right one.